Okay, this may sound a little bit weird, but I kind of got this watch because there's so many faces and it's only cost like 50 something euro, so I'm pretty happy about it. Just gonna go watch faces, and you can also download like so much more watch faces. Do you know what I felt really nice? This watch thing, it's really like kind of classic vintage. I don't know how to even explain it. So I have worn this watch over the night, and this is what it tracked. So it start tracking like the step and stuff like that since like 12 o'clock at night, and then I'm just gonna swipe up. You can literally like tap and it will like take a little bit of time to measure the heart rate, but it doesn't really take that long. Hopefully that's normal, but anyway. So, and then this is my sleep tracking thing. Set that I slept for like 9 hours and 12 minutes, and my point average is like around 66 out of 100, which is like above average I guess, but like not the best. It also tell you like the weather, which is really nice. And then it said that like by having like that amount of step I burn that amount of calorie or something like that. And then you can also listen to music, but I'm not yet to know how to work that. And then you swipe up here if you go settings, and then we have like that you could literally like change it. It's really nice. This one is the coolest one because the more step you walk, the more like the color fill up the pipe thing, so I guess it's really cool. If you press that again, you can literally track like workout, whichever you want it to do. And then it has like activity, and then this one is like today data and things like that. But I'm only at home, so I'm not sure how to use that yet. And then we have the air pressure and things like that as well. So yeah, that one is like breathing. And then swipe more, you have like alarm, stopwatch, and then we have timer as well, and you could like custom the timer, the weather's notification. I don't think I set that up. Oh, this is a cool feature as well. You can set your phone. It's only like 50 euro, even less, so I really recommend.